here we are on our Hoover Dam trip. Ryan is here with me with his glasses, looking super cool. And I'm going to show you, this landscape is so different from Pittsburgh.
We are not here.
Yes, we
No
are.
one is here. No one exists. The universe is a lie.
Uh-oh, look what I have to deal with. Ryan is a little nervous on here because check this out. Woo, that goes down a long, long way. And there it is. There's the dam.
I'm not as afraid of falling as I am you dropping your phone.
Yeah, let's not drop the phone. Let's not do that. Welcome to Nevada. Here we are walking through the tunnels. This was used to divert the water when they were building the dam. Yeah, as Ryan just said, this is another spot where you don't want to drop your phone. Check it out. This is the bridge that we were on earlier, and it did make you go, oh my God, that is a long, long way down. Ooh, and those are where the power is produced. Those are where the generators are. So this is the Colorado River side, and in that direction is Lake Mead. The Hoover Dam is holding back the Colorado River. You can see just all the marks on the walls.